Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, हम रिव्यू कर रहे हैं Domino's का newly launched sourdough pizza and I can't believe I've never tried sourdough pizza before. मतलब Domino's तो क्या मैंने किसी भी जगह का sourdough pizza try नहीं करा, so I am really excited. Also मैंने एक आधा कोई review देखा था some time back and I don't remember वो Domino's का exactly कौन सा sourdough pizza था, but I remember the girl saying that she really liked it and it sort of like exceeded her expectations. So मेरा expectation इन pizza से काफ़ी high है. Sorry, clumsy me. As I was saying, मेरा expectation इन pizza से काफ़ी high है just because that girl said she really liked it. Also हम सिर्फ pizza नहीं review करने वाले. I've also ordered sourdough garlic bread and then we have these two items जो again newly launched है. एक चिकन बॉम्ब है, एक आई थिंक चिकन मीट बॉल है. I'll have to check. So yeah, as always, I'm really excited and starving. So let's just dig in. Okay, so I was thinking let's start with spicy chicken pops and spicy chicken bombs. Yum. Actually, no, it does not look yum. It looks really sad. सिर्फ दो पीसेज है जिनका थोड़ा सा ऐसे साइज है. Otherwise, all the other pieces are this small. What's up, Domino's? What is this behavior? Okay, cheers. आई थिंक मैंने शूट करने के लिए थोड़ा गलत दिन चूज कर लिया बिकॉज ओ माई गॉड द नॉइस. एनीवे दीज पॉप्स नॉट वर्थ द मनी एंड ऑल्सो दीज आर जस्ट रियली रियली सैड एंड ड्राई. ये इतने ड्राई हैं कि मुझे इस समय हिकअप्स आ रहे हैं एंड दे जस्ट नॉट वर्थ इट. मतलब इससे अच्छा अगर मुझे 4 या 5 बड़े जूसी पीसेस चिकन के दे देते ना, आई वुड हैव बीन ओके. बट गिविंग मी दिस छोटू छोटू सैड लुकिंग पीसेस, I don't know, not my vibe. And when I tell you the chicken is dry, it's dry. Moving on to this, इसका भी प्राइस सेम है एंड ये भी देखने में काफ़ी सैड है. ये तो बहुत ही सैड है. क्या यार डोमिनोज. This is so much better. I had to go and get some coke because मेरे hiccups नहीं रुक रहे हैं. Cheers. Oh my god. This is surprisingly not bad. It's spicy, it's not dry, and is it worth the money? Nope. Will I ever order this again? Nope. But क्या मैं इसे खुशी खुशी अभी खा लूँगी? Yup. This is what happens जब तुम बार इतना लो कर देते हो and then you're like ये भी ठीक ही है. I love the flavor of garlic in it. That's actually nice. Okay, moving on. This is a sourdough bread with cheese dip. इसमें कोई stuffing वफिंग का ऑप्शन नहीं था. This is like plain sourdough bread, garlic bread. Ooh, it looks different, no? It's like so crispy. And इस पे कुछ मसाला तो डला हुआ है. Cheers. The seasoning on top is Domino's ka oregano. And you know what? This is nice. Let's try it with the cheesy dip. कितनी सी क्वांटिटी है ना वैसे इसकी. I don't think this dip complements this sourdough garlic bread. Not really. I think अब से मैं Domino's से जब भी garlic bread order करूँगी, I'll always order this sourdough one. This is so nice. Okay, moving on, let's try the pizzas now. So I've ordered one veg sourdough pizza, normal crust, and one non-veg sourdough pizza, thin crust. Ready? Doom, da. Oh my god. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Cheers. So this is Sardo Classic Truffle Veg Pizza. Confession time, I've never had truffle pizza before, so first time. Mmm. Mmm. Let me add chili. Nahin, let me add oregano because it needs something. I wish my bus Tabasco, though I don't think I have Tabasco here in Delhi. Do I? I do. Wait. Oh my god, I love to have Tabasco with my pizza. Just a little bit. Now that's what I'm talking about. So I told you all I've never had sourdough pizza before. So मेरे पास इसको कुछ compare करने को नहीं है. But here's my first impression of this pizza. I like it. I really, really like it. So of course, if you're someone जिसको truffle fries पसंद है, truffle oil पसंद है, I think you're gonna like this. Like Domino's did a good job with this. Oh, I forgot to tell you all, इस सब का मैंने पे किया है exact amount 1410. Of course, थोड़ा सा expensive है, but इससे सस्ता नहीं मिलता यार कुछ. And how many items are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah. And this is like a bada wala pizza. So this is their Sardo Slim Chicken Pepperoni Pizza. And look at it. Oh, bhai, gorgeous. Gorgeous. हाँ, एक slice पे there's not even a single pepperoni, but कोई बात नहीं. What is this? Is it like a cube of cheese or paneer? Oh my god, it's cheese and it's so good. I wish थोड़ा सा ऐसे गिन के पेपरोनी ना डाला होता डोमिनोज ने. लिटरली 1 2 3 4 5 6 पीसेस हैं पेपरोनी के. Pizza and Coke is a match made in heaven. I don't make the rules. Now here's my final verdict on this Sardo chicken pepperoni pizza. Slim. Is this the best pepperoni pizza I've ever had? Fuck no. Is this the worst? Absolutely not. Will I ever order this again? I might. इसमें बहुत मेजर कुछ फॉल्ट्स नहीं है, लेट्स बी रियल. इट्स जस्ट दैट थोड़ा सा और पेपरोनी होता, थोड़ा सा सॉस का टेस्ट वुड हैव बीन बेटर. It's just okay. It's not bad, but it's not great either. Like I've definitely had better pizza sauce than this. This is just काम चलाओ. So yeah, no major complaints. It's not like कि अगर मैं रिव्यू नहीं कर रही होती मैं इसे चुपचाप खा लेती. Just because मैं रिव्यू कर रही हूँ and it's my job to let you all know क्या अच्छा है क्या बुरा है, इसलिए I'm telling you all this. वरना मैं चुपचाप इस पिज़्ज़ा को बिना कुछ कंप्लेन करे खाती. हाँ, शायद ये बोलती कि थोड़ी सी पेपरोनी और दे दो या किसी और के स्लाइस में से स्टील कर लेती. बट उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं. लाइक आई एम रियली सैटिस्फाइड विद बोथ द पिज़्ज़ाज एंड द सार्डो गार्लिक ब्रेड. इट्स जस्ट दैट मुझे वो ये दो स्टार्टर्स नहीं पसंद आए. स्पाइसी पॉपिन जो भी था वो मेल्ट बॉम शॉक, बस. एवरीथिंग एल्स इज नाइस. So yeah guys, this was my review of Domino's newly launched Sardo range. And I can't believe I'm saying this, but this is definitely Rali approved. You all know how strict I am with my ratings and approvals and this and that. So for me to say कि मेरे Domino's का कुछ approve कर दिया is a big thing. So yeah guys, with this I'm gonna wrap today's video up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope तुमने like, share, subscribe, comment सब कुछ कर दिया है. And thank you so much for watching. Next video में क्या देखना चाहोगे? Do let me know in the comments. And I'll see you all next time. Till then, bye. Take care. Love you.